How we doing, everybody? So today I'm making just a brief video showing you what I'm doing. I told people that I'm working on a device that will filter, a variety of frequencies out. Right now I'm just working on FM frequencies because there are so many bandwidths out there, starting from a Wi-Fi all the way down to UHF, VHF, RLF, sonic, psychic. There's a whole crap ton. So today what we've got here, this is part of an FM circuit. Okay, so we've got our amplifier, our electrolytic capacitor, our jumper wires on our breadboard, our speakers, and our 9-volt power supply. I am just learning with 9-volt or with DC because DC is a lot easier than using alternating current. It's just a straight shot, and all you got to do is resist the current enough for things to work, and then make the current bigger with capacitors in certain areas and stuff. So what I'm going to do, this is an amplifier test. So I'm going to plug the battery in, and I'm going to touch this lead right here. And what this does is it should make a small whining sound come out of my speaker. Now, in a normal situation, it would only be a small whining sound, okay? Because what this is doing, it's using the human body as an antenna, alright? And as you can see, I'm sitting here in a shielded environment. I have shields everywhere. I'm also going to show you here, if you look at my Wi-Fi signals, I have got them all down to 1 bar. This is how much I shield in my house, okay? But this is basically going to prove that there is some kind of signal coming through still, only it's a very faint signal. But by doing it this way, kind of like when I proved it with my electrosmog meter, a couple of years ago, this proves the same exact thing, only this isn't some crazy man saying, hey, that I'm going through a million different things. Targeted individuals go through so many different adverse reactions. This is logic, okay? So I'm gonna hold this, and you have to bear with me because I'm trying to hold my phone and do all this at the same time. I'm holding this lead, and then I'm gonna plug the battery in, and you're gonna listen to this high-pitched squeal. Okay. Now earlier, when I first did this, there was a very, very loud squeal. I mean, like, it could have almost hurt my ears. It was super, super loud. And now the signal has been reduced. So this is just one way to prove certain things, because you're using your human body as an antenna, and our bodies are already being used as antennas. Depending on if there's certain electronics in you, if there's not, and you're still being harassed, or if, say, a laser was being used, a laser modulator. The FBI likes to use those. My uncle used to work with the FBI, and he was even at Waco when that was first introduced. I have schematics for a laser that you can point in somebody's window, and I'll probably show that to you. And that I got that off a hack. I think it was Hackaday, where you can spy on them. You just use a laser, you point a laser in, and then you have the laser comes back, and you receive the laser, and you can hear them talking and spy on them and do whatever you want. I mean, there's a million ways to go about it. Nobody can do that in my house because I've got Mylar, and I've already shown you my bedrooms and stuff like that. I have shields all over the place. So I don't have to worry about that, but I obviously still have some kind of signal. Now my son touches it, there's a smaller signal. He's a little bit smaller frame, but he is almost as big as me.